Welcome back to English class. So, dear students, in the previous class, I said you to read this letter at home first. And now, know what the mother has written in the letter to her daughter Poonam. The lesson, A Letter from Our Mother, is written by Mary Ann Kane. A mother writes a letter to her daughter Poonam, who was then studying in a residential school. It is not known what forced the parents to admit her to a residential school. The mother thinks that it is strange to write a letter because her daughter was always close by. They understood each other with few words spoken to each other. But now her daughter is away from home and she is growing up quickly. Before long, her daughter will become independent and will be ready to fly away like a bird. She informs her that she will be overjoyed to see her strong and confident, even though it is sorrowful to be apart from her daughter. The mother advises her daughter the advantages of being apart and growing independently. She will be pleased to see her daughter grow up strong, minded, and persistent. She was not easily discouraged, even when she didn't succeed at first. She asks her daughter to remember how she couldn't do her multiplication tables. The teacher was going faster than our daughter could manage, and she was left bad when she was unable to keep up. But she had made her own study cards and asked her mother and father to help her. After that, she would independently solve our own problems, but also responsible enough to ask for help to learn. The mother also writes that she was able to understand that her daughter was in a new surroundings at the hostel, and it was very difficult, or it was very different from home. She advises her daughter to carefully look after herself because no one would care about her comforts. She advises her daughter to speak up and ask the hostel warden what she needed, and at the same time help others to help themselves. If she felt homesick, she should help someone else through their homesickness. This will make her feel better. The mother strongly believes that her daughter will make the best experience of her hostel life. It also may be a bit confusing as a daughter needs to learn new ways to act. So she urges her daughter to not be afraid to try new activities or make friendly with new people. Finally, she advises her daughter to look after her own happiness instead depending on others. The mother is confident that her daughter is capable of such a responsibility as she had always done it before. She asks her daughter to be careful enough to not let her new surroundings confuse her too much. In the end, she asks her to write back to her at the earliest. So, hope children, you understood what the mother has written in this letter. Now, answer the following question. Who is the author of A Letter from a Mother? Who write a letter to Poonam? What is the advice given by mother in the second para? What was the strong belief of the mother on her daughter?